This is an easy, simple, no protein powder, healthy smoothie that's going to help you lose fat and build muscle. Let's get straight into the ingredients. So we have some frozen banana. I cut this up the day before, chop it and then freeze it. Make sure to cut it up before you put it in the freezer. I have some skimmed milk, again 0% fat or 0.1% fat. I've got some honey to sweeten it, some frozen strawberries and blueberries, and 2 pots of Greek yogurt here. I have Greek yogurt that's fat-free, it is higher in protein. The goal is to get the protein content up through the milk and the yogurt, and then I'm just going to put everything in a blender, and it's good to go. So, well, first things first, we're going to do 100 grams of banana. See what that goes in. Next is going to be our frozen strawberries and blueberries. So we're going to do 100 grams-ish of those. Then we get a couple of blueberries, throw them in. Go for a couple more. And we are good, let's take that out. Now I'm going to add in my skimmed milk because it will just flow to the bottom nice and out the way. There we go. Next, I'm going to add in my Greek yogurt. So that's going in the top here. Get that down. Just get everything out there. This comes out to 250-ish grams of yogurt, which is about, I think it's about 20 to 25 grams of protein. With the skimmed milk, you get a decent amount, so you put yourself in a pretty decent position. Then, just to sweeten it up a little bit as well, I'm going to add about 20 grams of honey. And that's it. Put the lid on and blend it up. This is the finished article. Just watch, it sometimes gets a little messy, but this has turned out okay. And you have a pretty good, perfectly thick smoothie. Because there's no powder in it, you need to make sure all the fruit's frozen, otherwise it will just end up really watery. But again, I batch these up in as much as possible, freeze them ahead of time, and they're good to go. If you enjoyed the video, there'll be a few more like it in the description, also on these cards. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next. And of course, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipes like this on a weekly basis.